We're going to go over the 7 chords of the C sharp minor scale. So your first chord is C sharp minor. You can find the root note C sharp. Do the minor chord formula, which is 3 half steps plus 4 half steps. So it's 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. You have the notes C sharp and E. From E, you do 4 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step, 4 half steps. So C sharp, E, G sharp. That is chord 1 of the C sharp minor scale. Chord 2 is a diminished chord. It's D sharp diminished. You're going to find the root note D sharp. Do the diminished chord formula. 3 half steps plus 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So D sharp and F sharp. From F sharp, you do 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So D sharp, F sharp, A. That is chord 2. It's D sharp diminished. Chord 3 is E major. Find the root note E. Do the major chord formula. 4 half steps plus 3 half steps. So you have 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step, 4 half steps. So you have E, G sharp. From G sharp, you do 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So E, G sharp, B. That's E major, and it's your 3rd chord. Your 4th chord is F sharp minor. Find the root note F sharp. Do the minor chord formula. 3 half steps plus 4 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So F sharp, A. Then from A, you do 4 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step, 4 half step. F sharp, A, C sharp. That is F sharp minor. It's your 4th chord. Your 5th chord is going to be G sharp minor. Find the root note G sharp. Do the minor chord formula. 3 half steps plus 4 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So you have G sharp, B. And from B, you do 4 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step, 4 half steps. So G sharp, B, D sharp. That is chord 5. It's G sharp minor. Chord 6 is A major. Find the root note A. Major chord formula. 4 half steps plus 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step, 4 half steps. So A, C sharp. C sharp, you do 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. So A, C sharp, E. That's chord 6. It's A major. Chord 7 is B major. You find the root note B. Do the major chord formula. 4 half steps plus 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half step, 4 half step. Then you go from here, you do 3 half steps. 1 half step, 2 half step, 3 half steps. You get the notes B, D sharp, and F sharp. That is the 7th chord, and it's B major. Those are the 7 chords of the C sharp minor scale. I hope you guys enjoyed.